What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I'm gonna show you a real quick update to my trading, yeah? So let's jump right into the video, guys. Who don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm trading the break and retest strategy. Very simple. It's kind of making higher highs and lower highs, yeah? It's very simple trade, yeah? And just pull back to this zone. Let me show you real quick. So we go like key zones. So here is 1.12, 1.11. It's very simple. I like to trade zone to zone, and it's a break and retest strategy, yeah? It's very simple. It's making higher highs and lower highs. So yesterday just break out and I was looking for this zone. Very simple trading approach. I enter right here. I put my stop loss beneath here, beneath this zone, yeah? And I'm targeting this high. Once the price action will gonna reach this high or even pink above, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even and let it ride. Overall it should be like $2.46 RR. It's very decent, it's not that bad, but we'll see how everything was gonna work out. So but for now, easy trade. Don't complicate the trading too much. Just keep it up, keep it simple, repeatable, and good luck with your trading, guys. Peace and love. See you on the next one.